Don't mock my pain.
It's our turbulent lights.
This is something you don't see every day. I think maybe it's roasted. Well, hello there, Internet. How are you doing? How are you doing, Liz?
I'm doing good. Hey, Internet. We are picking up Brianna to go to the farmer's market.
The Halifax Seaport Farmers Market. Hello, friend. You're on Candid Camera. Say hello to the Internet.
Hi. It's a little wet, don't you think?
Yeah, I was about to say on mine weekend.
Hi, Liz. She's annoyed because I'm playing We Are the Champions. We just watched the episode of Brooklyn Nine-Nine where Jake tries to play We Are the Champions. Needless to say, Liz is not happy. No! Why would you do that?
It's too much. It's annoying.
It's a classic song that deserves to be loved by millions.
Not via bagpipes.
We are on our way to Truro, Nova Scotia. How are you feeling about this place? You did that purposely, didn't you? We're stuck in traffic and Liz is glad she isn't driving.
Not thinking about how much gas I'm wasting right now.
So we are here with our friends Daniel, Alex, and Brianna.
Oh, hello.
We are here at Endangered. Ben Swain is now here.
It's gonna be a picture. It's not. I got like the churros here.
Yeah, your churros, how are they?
Oh, they're really good. They're like a pastry.
We just finished it on Tojo. I honestly had the best chicken I've ever had in my entire life. I highly suggest that you guys check out on Tojo on Argyle Street. It's fantastic. It's great chicken. How'd you guys find it?
A1. I thought it was pretty good, yeah.
Really good, A1, yep.
It's pretty good, right?
Oh, especially the churros. I love those.
Are you having fun yet?
Yes.
Walking past the graveyard, who wouldn't have fun?
So what did you write on the wall?
Hail Sithis. In the game Elder Scrolls Skyrim, Sithis is the god of murder. Sometimes when you're walking around, characters in the game will just like recognize you that you're part of like the cult of Sithis. So that's sort of a joke between me and my friend that whenever I come to Nocturne, I'll write Hail Sithis somewhere. Every Nocturne I do this.
How about you, Ben? What did you write?
I drew a heart.
What's up?
The sky. What else do you want me to say? Rain.
Oh, right over there. That's the endangered payphone.
These things are almost extinct, you know.
Oh yeah. There's only like a couple of them around anymore.
Soon enough, you won't even see those things anymore.
They'll all be gone.
All be gone. This is trippy. Cool?
So close to my face.
I have no idea what this is, do you?
No, it's creepy as hell. There's black balloons and an empty table with romantic candle lights and glasses.
I'm really questioning what this is.
Might be
Symbolism.
might be a shrine to Sithis.
Taylor, what is that over there?
What's that over where?
Like where all like those chickens and stuff are?
Chickens?
Yeah, and the cows. You don't see them?
No, I don't see any chickens or
You don't
cows.
see chicken or cows?
Can I
Are
look?
you sure? Is that not a farm I see? Shut it!